Hi guys, Rick Damuth at Cowtown USA here in Cuba, Missouri. I've got a nice 2013 Exiss with a living quarters in it, 8 wide. Looks like to me it's got somewhere around an 8 or 9 foot short wall and a nice walk-in mid-tack. Does have hydraulic jack here in the front, which is, people really like that. Take you here to the living quarters and let you look around here. It's got a dinette that makes into a bed. Got your stove recessed right here, so it gives you some countertop, stainless steel sink. Got a nice set of steps up to the bed. It's got that brushed look on the dinette that makes into a bed. Now, same way here on your valances. It's got a brush look in it. Kind of spin you around here, so you got storage here. Let's just see what we got for storage. Okay, it is storage. Storage across the top. Okay. Give you a look-see here. Turn around here. Set up for your furnace and your air conditioning. Got your chair rail here, you can see. Got your pocket door so nobody has to step back in or out of the way. Okay, on the right hand side, there's your stool. Right hand side, we got 2 clothes bars, so quite a bit of storage. Got nice frosted glass. And here we got your vanity sink. And again, the doors rub down as well. Okay, I'm going to step back through here. Look around. Floor looks good. Okay, stepped you into the mid-tack here. The ramp on this side. Saddle racks that are removable. Bridle hooks. Full escape door. And I think this is a 16-foot box. Let's see if I can tell you for sure here. I think it's 14 feet. I'll have to get a tape to measure that now for sure. Now, this trailer came set up 4-gate. Slam lock. But they didn't put one in it. So whoever had this added a gate here.
That's line 6.
Right around here. Slam locks. And it is a gate. It is nothing fancy, but it works good. It's 8 wide. Looks like it's the trailer's in good shape. We have serviced it. We've serviced it. We've done everything we know to do to it. It has got a full gate here with a slider, which the cattle people sure like that. Does have your escape door. Check the floor out. Mats are good. Okay, let's step out this side. Got 14 ply Goodyear radial tires on it. Let me step back here. I see it's also got a loading ramp. Okay. Yeah, it's got your ramp on it. Again, the slider, full gate with a slider. So anyway, I just want to get with you on this one. Now, this tarp the canvas looks really crinkly. It is. It's brand new and it's cold. So we're going to let it warm up here a little bit and then roll that out. But it's got a brand new canvas awning on it. So it should be good. Got your step in front of your escape door. Give you one more shot here to the inside. So give us a call. Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri. 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Ask for Sean or Jack, or if they're busy, I'll help you. My name is Rick. And again, this is Cowtown USA, little town called Cuba, Missouri. 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. Go on our website, CowtownUSAINC.com. CowtownUSAINC.com. And here's my address, Cuba, Missouri.